Top 4 reasons to modernize your legacy user interface. At Flynet, we know how vital your legacy system is to your company. It's reliable, dependable, and powerful. But did you know, using Flynet Viewer Studio UX, you can transform your legacy terminal interface from green or orange on black into a modern responsive web GUI. Here's 4 reasons why Flynet's UX modernization can help your business: accessibility, functionality, consistency, and future-proofing. Accessibility. Legacy applications can be used for all sorts of functions in the workplace. Workers on the shop floor, office-based managers, technical teams, the list goes on. But the green on black style of many terminal-based applications can be a little off-putting, especially when it comes to training up new staff. With a modern interface, new terminal application users will have no trouble learning the ins and outs of your legacy system. Functionality. Terminal emulator-based applications take experience to master, so it can be difficult to know how to access exactly what you need when you want it. Once the interface has been made more intuitive, users will be able to get what they need quickly and easily. Flynet Viewer Studio UX even allows you to reimagine the information architecture of the underlying legacy system, greatly simplifying the discoverability of pertinent data, making the holy grail of single view of customer possible. This makes inputting data, ordering stock, or placing orders quicker than ever. Consistency. Using Flynet Viewer Studio UX, you can gain all the benefits of a brand new system with none of the usual risks. Rather than having to uproot your legacy system and conducting a big bang migration, Flynet Viewer Studio UX works seamlessly with your existing hardware, updating the functionality of your legacy application with no risk to your business critical systems. Best of all, Flynet Viewer Studio UX is a no-code, low-code platform, meaning that an existing employee or citizen developer can upgrade your interface quickly and easily. Future-proofing. Legacy systems aren't static. They change and develop with the times. By updating your user interface to a pure HTML web page, it can become part of your roadmap to the future. Integrating cloud computing, chatbots, customer self-service, and other modern technologies becomes far easier with a user experience built with Flynet Viewer Studio UX. Conclusion. A Flynet Viewer Studio UX modernization can unlock huge benefits for your company. If you're interested in exploring how Flynet can help you, visit flynetviewer.com to book a free consultation. Let's start your modernization journey together.